Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing obvious load and exposing the fasteners. You don't need elaborate prep. First, clear towels and place a towel under the rack to catch hardware. Use a flashlight to inspect each bracket, look for set screws or cover caps. Once found, remove caps with a flat driver or putty knife and loosen set screws with the matching Allen key or driver. You do this because access prevents damage to the wall and saves time in the next steps. You now remove the rack itself. Hold the bar with one hand and loosen each fastener a half turn alternately so the mount doesn't bind. If the bracket slides off a wall plate, lift straight up. If it's glued or caulked, warm the area with a hairdryer, then pry gently with a putty knife to separate adhesive. Once free, pull the rack away and extract screws. Use an adjustable wrench for stubborn nuts. This step prevents bending the rack and protects plaster or tile. You finish by addressing the wall and remaining anchors. Remove any broken anchors with pliers or a screwdriver. If an anchor is stripped, install a larger anchor or a toggle bolt for a secure hold. Fill small holes with spackle and sand smooth. Paint after it cures. If tile chips, use epoxy to fill and blend. One troubleshooting tip: if screws spin in place, switch to a toggle or molly anchor. This restores strength without enlarging the hole.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.